Welcome to our vlog. Today we have come to give tribute to a person who's the reason why we have 28 states and 8 union territories. The Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Welcome to the world's tallest statue, Statue of Unity.
Statue of Unity is located in Ekta Nagar, Gujarat, which is about 90 kilometers from Baroda. There are daily trains from Mumbai, which is also what we took. We arrived at this beautiful station and now we are heading to our hotel, which is only 10 minutes away. It is time now for us to check in, freshen up and get ready for the day.
Hi mummy. Evda? Ekta Nagar, Gujarat.
We hopped into a free AC bus which will take us directly to the main campus of Statue of Unity.
Hey. Be ready? Statue of Unity? Let's go.
This is our moment to finally see the statue from inside. Before taking the elevator, we saw some amazing artwork and galleries. They are packed with information, stories, and history about Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and the vision behind this monument. Walking through them really builds the excitement for what's coming next.
മമ്മി ലിഫ്റ്റിലാണോ വന്നേ? ഏത് ഫ്ലോറിലാ? 45.
We were so awed by looking at the things around us that we hardly realized that we have actually reached the top of the statue and standing right inside it and admiring the beautiful view from the statue itself.
Really superb statue. I was like, why did we wait for so long to come here?
Exactly.
Many years back.
Yeah, mummy also was saying that only. Nishil, do you like it?
सरस
अच्छा बना है ना?
मस्त
After exploring the viewing gallery, we headed up to the upper deck of the Statue of Unity. And wow, this is where you really feel how massive it is. The views from up here are just incredible.
लेकिन ये साला कर क्या रहा है यहाँ पे?
Taking bus for jungle safari.
बंदी को पूछा यहाँ पे जो काम कर रहे हैं कि और क्या क्या एनिमल्स देखना बाकी है। तो बोला एलिफेंट और कैंगरू ऐसा लगा, लेकिन एलिफेंट और कैंगरू के अलावा बाकी सब एनिमल्स हैं। ये सुनते ही अफ्रीका पूरा डिमोलिश हो गया।
Nishil, you watching or you're watching your phone? हाथ मत दो बच्चा।
We finished the zoo and now we're going to the Valley of Flowers.
We're back in the SOU campus, and this time it's for the laser show. It's gonna start in 1 hour. Nishil is running to catch a seat. Hope we get the best seat in the house, and let's show you the laser show. Already.
Nishil is heading back to Mumbai. The rest of us will stay back and explore Ekta Nagar one more day. We enjoyed a session of puppet show by some local artists. And then ended the day with some games at the hotel. Time for breakfast.
So we are about to check out from the hotel. That's Sabu and Mummy. But our trip continues as we explore further places in Statue of Unity.
are at the one, Arogya one. We are relaxing, taking a break, and we are
3 people.
and we are resting. Today is a long day. Our train is at night, and we don't have a room.
हमारे घरों तक पहुंच गया है। जलवायु परिवर्तन बहुत तेजी से हो रहा है।
So we finished with the Cactus Garden. Now we are going to the Butterfly Garden.
These are the buses which took us to Ekta Nursery and the Cactus and Butterfly Garden. Now we'll take the big one to go to the main gate.
Our journey here at the Statue of Unity comes to an end, but we carry with us amazing memories. What a piece of art! We loved every bit of it. We had a lovely dinner at McDonald's right before we could board the train. we couldn't stop admiring the beautiful railway station, which almost looked like an airport. Goodbye Ekta Nagar, goodbye Statue of Unity. We had a great time.